financial freedom, guys, is very, alam niyo, napakasarap. No? For me, it is not just financial freedom that you need. You also need what you call time freedom. Diba? Time freedom is you have the ability to be with your kid, to be with your son, to be with your daughter, whenever you like. Sabi ko nga nung nakaraan, I just came into a realization na, Lord, this is the best gift that I have pala. This is the biggest blessing that I have pala. Kasi yung anak ko, grade 1. No? So, you imagine, if pumapasok pa ako sa call center, diba? Kung supervisor pa ako sa call center, I won't be able to be with my kid. Diba? So, syempre, kailangan ko mag-take leave pa para lang maalagaan siya, diba? So, it is very important yung time freedom plus the financial freedom.